right, kids, what is up? This is Moto Noir. Thank you for watching. All right, well, I am just going for a little ride. It is a Monday, one of my days off. So I got all my chores done very early. Did my laundry. Went to Home Depot. Got some extra tools, so I'm going to drop off at my garage. Man, and then I'm just riding around. This is going to be a nice little day for me. That person did not look or seem very happy. That sucks. Yeah, so this is probably going to be one of the last videos I ever make with this camera. I'm currently using the GoPro Hero 7. I have not upgraded in a long time. And a friend of mine, a very good friend, decided to give me his old Hero 10. So I'm gonna rock that for a little bit, see how I like it. I did one test video with it, and you can already kind of tell that the video quality is far superior. The tracking, the hyper smooth, that they call it, is a lot better on the 10. I have read that 10s can be a little finicky sometimes, but I think I can make it work. I never had a single problem with this camera, which is probably one of the reasons I have been very slow to upgrade it. I mean, not a single problem. Nothing that couldn't be fixed by just taking the battery out for a few minutes and putting it back in. So, yeah, this camera, the 7 for me, has been rock solid. Probably the number one reason I'm very slow to upgrade my stuff. A little bit of a move there. All right, great, grand. My mom recently told me that, well, I guess to start it off, I have requested that my mom not watch my videos in the past, but, you know, she's watching. She told me recently not to go so crazy in between cars. And coming from a rider, you know, I don't think I go too crazy, but I have been rear-ended before, and that's my number one reason that I lane split. It's sitting in traffic with the increased chance to be rear-ended ain't worth it to me. I don't want to be rear-ended. I want to be in control. And yeah, sure, there are some pitfalls and downfalls and upfalls to lane splitting. I think those have been talked about many a times, but I believe that if I do it at a normal pace and don't take too many unnecessary risks, that I can do it safely, and that it is far safer than just sitting in traffic and being a target. So, I mean, that's my 2 cents. I'm in control of how fast or how slow I go while I lane split. So for me, that takes away some of my risk there. I don't know. I have no idea what I'm talking about. No need to listen to me. I'm a silly, silly moto vlogger. It was unnecessary. Oh man. And some more news. I have decided I'm moving again. Can you tell that I'm super excited? I am actually excited. I'm not excited to have to move again. I don't have to move. I just found a better situation. And if you find something like this, you kind of have to take it. So basically I'm going to be living right above where I park my bike, so right above my garage. The landlord for the garage let me know that a room was coming available, and if I wanted it, it was mine. So I went ahead and said, yes sir, please and thank you. And I'll be living with, or might be living, I don't know yes or no just yet, but I might be living with a friend of mine. So that's even better. So living right above my current garage and living with a friend, and my commute to and from work is going to be so easy. It's kind of, you know, it's just so hard to pass up. I can't pass it up, actually. I'd be dumb to pass it up. It's only $100 more a month. Very affordable. You know, I feel bad for my current roommate, the person I'm living with right now. He's an extremely nice guy. Oops. But yeah, I do feel quite bad for my my current roommate. You know, he takes me in, he gives me a place to sleep, and immediately I just move out. It's not ideal. I just feel bad. I feel bad for it. And, you know, I have to move again, which will be, what, the 5th time I've moved in the last few years? Look, can you see my reflection? Look at me. I look like a little motorbike guy. Alright. Come on, peeps. Keep it going full speed. Alright. I'm just gonna make that turn. Let's just get ahead here. Oh man, yeah. It's been rough, man. It's been rough. So now we are back in Sunnyside, the old stomping grounds. Yeah, so literally I'm going to be cutting like 15 minutes off my commute. That is, that's what you want. That is what you want. So life will be good. Life will be good, yet again. Alright kids, I think that's all from me. Not much of a vlog, but yeah, a little update.